It was great meeting with delegation of Pakistan Ordnance Factory POF at Kent. The main focus of the meeting was how to promote and develop the game at POF. Colonel Rabbani, Director Sports POF, Mr. Majid, Mr. Amanul Asad, Secretary General Pakistan Tchoukball Federation, Mr. Faisal Amanullah Asad, Joint Secretary Pakistan Tchoukball Federation, Mr. Tamrez Khan, Chairman Pakistan Tchoukball Coaching Association, was present in the meeting. POF representatives admired and liked the game wholeheartedly and appreciated the efforts of the Pakistan Tchoukball Federation. Hope to have great news from the POF with upcoming developments with mega events in coming months.